Hello friends, as promised yesterday, today we will do an exercise, continuous tenses covering but mainly on future continuous. Alright, so here we will go. We have the next year, this time, the contrast between present and the future, that is future continuous. No? So next year, this time, I will be doing PG, postgraduate studies, next year this time. Second sentence, the girls in the garden since 3 p.m. have been working, isn't it? Have been working. Yes, present perfect continuous. Third sentence, now, very simple, that is, they are studying now. They are studying now. Second. Now the fourth one is a question, and yes or no question you can see. Will you be attending? Will you be attending? Will you be attending the class tomorrow? This is an yes or no question. Fifth one, when I called on him sleeping. So that is past continuous as background. When I called on him, then he was sleeping. When I called on him, he was sleeping. Isn't it? You remember the examples like this? When I saw him, he was studying. When we crossed the road, the other way around, that is, a car hit him when he was crossing. So that is background action for another action. So here he was sleeping. That's the background action. When I called on him, that is the situation. Okay. Next one is 6 is yesterday. So that's very simple. That is past tense. So it was raining. It was raining yesterday. I am sure they not come tomorrow. So then they will not be coming tomorrow. I am sure they will not be coming tomorrow. Will not be coming tomorrow. And the eighth one is when we reach there for us. So past tense. Then you have got another past tense, something that is happening before this. So before past, and so it is past perfect continuous. So when we reach there, they had been waiting. They had been waiting for us. So had been waiting for us, that is the continuous action that happens before we reach, when we reach there. So that is past perfect. Remember all these things. Yes. So it's a kind of revision also. Well, ninth one, question again, what will you be doing all day tomorrow? What will you be doing all day tomorrow? So that is future continuous. And the 10th one, some students always talk. Some students are always talking. Some students are always talking. So this is a fact, isn't it? Yes. And only a few for the interview. 10 or future. Only a few will be turning up. Only a few will be turning up. Turning up for the interview. And 12, your application, that is passive voice. Your application is being considered. Is present continuous passive. Your application is being considered. Considered now. Is your application is being considered now. That is passive, present continuous passive. Alright, next 13. Sure. We will be looking into the matter. Sure, we will be looking into the matter. Sure, we will be looking into the matter. And 14. Several people are standing outside. Now, that is understood. Several people are standing outside. So that is understood. When I said several people are standing outside, that means it is there, just in front of you. That is present continuous. And the last one, question again. What is happening now? Isn't it? Well, now is here. So what is happening? Present continuous. What is happening now? What is happening now? So it is clear, I think. So here it is future continuous, present perfect continuous, present continuous, future continuous, coordinating or sleeping, that is past continuous, there was raining, past continuous. I am sure they will not be coming, that is future continuous. When we reached there, they had been waiting for us. So the two actions in the past, one takes place, they had been, so it is before past. And now what will you be? First action is they are waiting, they have been waiting, they had been waiting, and now we reached there. So what will you be doing? Future continuous. Some students are doing present continuous. Only a few will be turning up for tomorrow, that is future continuous. And your application is being considered present continuous in the passive. And sure, we will be looking into that is future continuous. So mainly the focus is on future continuous. Just so the difference between the other continuous tenses also. I hope you understand. Yes, very good. Several people are present continuous. What is happening now? Present continuous. I think now you understand what is the time scheme of continuous tenses. Simple present continuous, present perfect continuous, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous. And all, remember, all continuous tenses are possible only with the action verbs, not the verbs of feeling and seeing and things like that. You should not use action verbs, because should not use continuous tense, because there is nothing that is continuing, no action. See, I see you, that continue. Not, you need not say I am seeing you. I think now it's very clear to you. So we will pass on to the next tense. That is future perfect tense from the next class. I hope these things are very clear to you. The form of the tense, short form of the tense, negative of the tense, yes or no. Then WH question, passive, not used, not widely used. And so we will not spend much time on that. And then of course use. I would say that the classic use of this is this time, next year, I will be managing the factory. Nothing. And even that continues in the past. Bye, see you again with another dose. Another not dose, then that would have a negative meaning. So we will have more discussion on future tenses or time future in the next class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.